From the state capitol in Richmond, I'm Craig Carper. A last-minute maneuver by Democrats to resurrect the Equal Rights Amendment for a floor vote in the House of Delegates has failed. 4 procedural votes that would have overruled a committee decision to kill the bill earlier this session were all defeated by Republicans. They say the ERA is unnecessary and would create a constitutional protection for abortion.
Last Friday, the Alaska Supreme Court used their ERA language in their state constitution that says because of sex, and they said that the state can't even limit taxpayer funding for abortion under their state law through Medicaid.
Supporters say the ERA is necessary to help end sex discrimination and gender-based violence and guarantee equal pay for equal work for women.
The misinformation and fear that you spread about abortion will not give you cover for voting against the ERA. Again, history will not remember the members of this General Assembly favorably.
This year, the issue mobilized hundreds of activists on both sides of the debate who say they will remember how their elected representatives voted when they're all up for re-election in November. For Assembly 19, I'm Craig Carper.
Broadcast of Assembly 19 is brought to you by the Virginia Education Association. An investment in Virginia teachers today will bring dividends tomorrow.